괜찮아. 괜찮아요. 괜찮아.
Aku hanya memikirkan satu peraturan penting. Kenapa kau lakukan hari ini kalau kau bisa melakukannya besok? Hahaha.
A few moments later.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Salwa and in this video, I'm going to explain types of sentences in English. In this topic is very important because we use different types of sentences every day when we speak or write in English. Well everyone, there are four main types of sentences. They are statements, question, imperatives, and exclamations. In this video, I will explain each type in detail. I will explain the definition, function, structure, and examples. At the end of the video, I will also explain the differences between these four types of sentences. So, let's get started. Well, everyone, the first type of sentence is statements. A statement is a sentence that gives information, fact, opinions, or ideas. Jadi, statement adalah kalimat yang memberikan informasi, fakta, pendapat, atau ide. Statements are used to tell something to the listener or reader. Statements digunakan untuk menyampaikan sesuatu kepada pendengar atau pembaca. Statements are used to share information, describe something, and express opinions or facts. Statements digunakan untuk menyampaikan informasi, mendeskripsikan sesuatu, serta mengungkapkan fakta atau pendapat. Most statements follow this structure: subject plus verb plus object or complement. Statements usually end with a period. Statement biasanya diakhiri dengan tanda titik. Here are some examples. I am a student. She likes reading books. They are studying English now. Statements can be positive or negative. Negative statements usually use the word not. Statement dapat berbentuk positif atau negatif. Statement negatif biasanya menggunakan kata not. Okay, next, the second types of sentence is questions. A question is a sentence that is used to ask for information. Jadi jenis kalimat kedua adalah questions, di mana questions adalah kalimat yang digunakan untuk menanyakan informasi. Question always end with a question mark. There are two common types of questions. Jadi question selalu diakhiri dengan tanda tanya dan ada dua jenis question yang umum. The first one is yes or no question. Jadi jenis yang pertama adalah yes or no questions. The structure is auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. Jadi di sini rumusnya adalah auxiliary verb ditambah subjek ditambah kata kerja utama. Okay, here are the examples. First, do you like coffee? Second, is she your teacher? Okay, the second type is WH questions. WH questions start with WH words such as what, where, when, why, who, and how. Jadi jenis yang kedua adalah 5W plus 1H questions. And the structure is WH word plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. Jadi rumus atau struktur kalimatnya adalah kata tanya ditambah auxiliary verb ditambah subject ditambah kata kerja utama. For examples, what is your name? Where do you live? When do you study English? Why are you late? Who is your best friend? How do you go to school? Okay, next, the third type of sentence is imperatives. An imperative sentence is a sentence that gives command, instruction, request, or advice. Jenis kalimat ketiga adalah imperatif, di mana imperatif adalah kalimat yang digunakan untuk memberikan perintah, instruksi, permintaan, atau saran. Imperative sentence usually start with a base verb. The subject you is not written, but is it understood? Kalimat imperatif biasanya dimulai dengan kata kerja dasar, subject you tidak dituliskan tetapi sudah dipahami. Here are some examples. based on their functions. Commands: open the door now. Stop talking. Commands are usually strong and direct. Perintah biasanya bersifat tegas dan langsung. Instruction: first, turn on the computer, then click the start button. Instructions are often used to explain steps. Instruksi biasanya digunakan untuk menjelaskan langkah-langkah. Request: please sit down. Please help me with this text. Requests are more polite and often use the word please. Permintaan bersifat lebih sopan dan sering menggunakan kata please. Advice: study harder for the exam. Don't be late. Advice is used to suggest what someone should do. Saran digunakan untuk menyarankan apa yang sebaiknya dilakukan seseorang. Okay, the fourth or the last type of sentence is exclamations. An exclamation is a sentence that express strong feelings or emotions. Jadi jenis kalimat yang keempat ini adalah exclamations, yang dimana exclamations adalah kalimat yang mengungkapkan perasaan atau emosi yang kuat. Exclamation usually end with an exclamation mark. Jadi exclamation biasanya diakhiri dengan tanda seru. One common pattern is using the word what, and another common pattern is using the word how. Salah satu pola yang umum adalah menggunakan kata what, dan pola umum lainnya adalah menggunakan kata how. And here are the examples. What a beautiful day it is. Betapa indahnya hari ini. How amazing this place is. Betapa menakjubkannya tempat ini. Okay, now let's talk about the differences between the four types of sentences. Statements are used to give information. Questions are used to ask for information. Imperatives are used to give commands or instructions. Exclamations are used to express strong emotions. Alright everyone, that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps you understand the types of sentences in English. See you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.